this bike using PPG's new EnviroBase HP system, which is a environmentally friendly paint system. And the main subject is of course fall colors. I wanted to use environmental theme to go with the new paint system that's environmentally friendly. Sorry, and I also wanted the bike to look like a ball of fire looking from far away, so you could see the bike when you get into the show place, and this bike would stick out. So I went with oranges, gold colors, and orange colors, and pretty much that's what it came up to. And the face on the gas tank could be Mother Nature looking over us. So that's what it came about to.
For YAMAHA. Where are the folks from Air Design? Our award for the best use of color goes to Air Design for YAMAHA. $200 in super cash along with the award. Our third place award in the level 4 builders class, $3,500 in super cash, a 4-foot trophy, and it goes to Air Design for YAMAHA. Congratulations to the folks at Air Design.